What a gorgeous late summer evening this is. Live look down toward Perrysburg. Maybe a chance that you still catch a few rays of late summer sunshine out of the back patio or finishing up, maybe grilling out this evening. And maybe just a chance to gather yourself before headed back to work and school for tomorrow. We're still in the upper 70s, low levels of humidity, and boy, do we have a comfortable breeze across the area. Most spots are pretty close to the mid and upper 70s. Tiffin at 75, Napoleon 78, Bryan over toward Adrian in the mid 70s. And if you feel how low the humidity is, that current feel, yeah, it's downright almost fall feeling with how dry and crisp the humidity is, and humidity will remain pleasant the rest of the evening and into tomorrow morning. Quick look at satellite and radar conditions. It's quite clear across the area. In fact, much of the area cloud free. And I've got kind of an interesting view for you. This is a live look at Cedar Point. Now, the Wicked Twister, this is the last evening ever for the operation of the Wicked Twister. You can actually see a lot of people lined up right there trying to get their last ride in before Wicked Twister becomes no more at Cedar Point. A little bit of a fact as we go into our evening tonight. Last day of operation for the Wicked Twister. Satellite radar picture across the region is looking entirely dry. We're putting this into motion into tomorrow morning. We expect we will be entirely dry tomorrow morning through the afternoon. The breeze picks up. It will turn gusty through the afternoon. Winds may gust 30 to 35 miles per hour. It's going to be a hot and windy day tomorrow, so go climbing into the upper 80s. Now, storm chances are going to come in. Look at the clock. Right around this time tomorrow evening, 7 p.m. We'll mark our watch to that. I do expect at this point tomorrow evening, we will have some scattered showers and storms across the area just ahead of a cold front. Should be pretty quick moving across the area, but it will be our higher chance of rain tomorrow evening. Clear tonight, a pleasant night down to 55 for the overnight low, and sunrise comes up after 7 tomorrow. 87 is the high expected for tomorrow. It will be warm and windy with a chance of storms developing after 7 o'clock. And once we get through tomorrow's chance of storms, it'll become more likely into the evening. And there's your windy weather with the upper 80s. We're going to drop back into the 70s Wednesday and Thursday, near 80 on Friday, back into the mid 80s Saturday, and much of the weekend looking dry. In fact, could go several days without any additional rain this weekend, and perhaps even into the majority of next week, settling in this mid-September feel that's going to be approaching with some pretty dry and mild weather.
Is this showing us all the changing of seasons? Because like 2 months ago, 3 months ago, the moisture we're getting would be just funneling up from the Gulf.
Right.
Whereas now we're starting to get some rain ahead of a cold front, and then like last week when it stopped Ida from even bothering us.
Stalled out stationary front south of us. This is a cold front tomorrow evening. It's going to swipe the humidity again, and we get more and more days like this, especially as we go through September. You notice the lower humidity, which typically leads to those cooler mornings and cooler nights as well.
It is cooling off, no doubt.
It happens
all right,
quick.
Chris, thank you.